Hi, my name is Ben, and this is advice from a Pentecostal preacher. Today, I want to talk about 5 ways that you can put money in your pocket now. I'm not talking about long term financial strategies. I'm not talking about having to, do a lot of life changing stuff. We're talking about you're in a bind right now and you need to get 40, 60, 80 bucks in your pocket so you can eat, maybe pay your insurance, something like that, so you can live to fight another day. So I'm going to spare your lecture about your financial planning for later. Right now, I want to get you moving forward because forward is where we need to go. So I'm going to talk about 5 strategies. Now you're saying, what's with this right here? That's the bonus. And here it is right here. Look in your pocket. You might have a $5 bill that you tucked in your suit coat pocket. Maybe there's a $10 bill sitting in an old purse that you forgot to clean out. Look in your couch where the change falls. Look between your car seats and on the floor. I don't know how many times I was able to eat lunch because of found money. Go ahead and check there. Now, before we get to the other 5 things you can do to earn 40, 60, 80 bucks, like and subscribe to the channel. Help me move this message forward. I really appreciate the engagement and the involvement. So now let's get to it. 5 things you can do right now. 1, go to work. There's places, about 200 labor finders offices across America, and there's a few other agencies that do day labor. That means you can apply, work, and get paid the same day. Now, some of these offices open as early as 6 a.m. Make sure you show up. 1, with your proper identification. 2, make sure you show up ready to work. Don't show up all fancy like for a party, or don't show up in your pajamas and your flip flops. Show up with jeans, a shirt, a button up shirt maybe. Have your work boots in the car ready to go and get applied. I don't know how many times in my staffing experience have I sent people out that morning that applied, worked, and got paid the same day. So don't overlook the obvious. There's opportunity for you. That's 1. Another thing you can do is donate plasma. There are several donation centers across this country, and you can donate plasma. If you've never been a donor before, they actually offer you more money to get started. So locally, I think you could get $70 per donation for your first 3 or 4 donations. Check it out. Again, proper ID, and you're going to have to pass a medical screening before they let you donate. But that can get money in your pocket today. Third thing you can do, you can recycle. If you've got scrap in your yard, if you've got cans, if you've got an old car, a washer and dryer. Now, if you need a truck or a trailer or a big vehicle to load this stuff in, but I have taken scrap before and gotten paid the very same day, and it gave me 30, 40 bucks, whatever, to be able to do what I needed to do to live to fight another day. That's the goal here. Another thing you can do, number 4, pawn shops. What have you got in your house? We talked about this on my last episode. What do you have? Pawn shops today, they're going to give you cash for electronics, for jewelry, for firearms, for tools, sporting equipment sometimes, musical equipment. What do you have? Don't worry about Go sell it at a pawn shop. I'm not really much for taking a loan on things. If you're in a bind right now like this, you don't need to add another note to your shoulders. You need to live to fight another day. And you are more important than your TV. Your lights are more important than your TV. Go ahead, pawn that, get the money so you can live to fight another day. And then you can move your life forward where you can just buy another TV when you're ready. But don't get debt. Don't incur debt on your shoulders. Don't go to a payday lender. Do something to put cash in your hand to live to fight another day. Number 5, and something that I almost overlooked, but anybody that has a young family and children, if you've got children, you have clothes and items that those children have outgrown. There are places like Once Upon a Child, and there's other consignment shops that'll pay you money for your used children's clothing and items. And those are things that you're not using, you're not needing anymore. You can get them sold where another family can purchase them, and you can get paid a little cash today to move your life forward. That's the whole purpose of all of this, is you need to be able to move forward in your life so you can live to fight another day. If you're broke today, don't be ashamed because you're broke. There's nothing wrong with you. You're just struggling. So struggle on, but you're going to win, and you're going to overcome, and you're going to find a way through this. Find what you have in your house and use one of these 5 methods to be able to move yourself forward and give you just a second of breathing room so you can get a plan. You've got this. Now get up and go get it. God bless y'all.